Okay, so we're walking in to the apartment at 58th and Dorchester. This is the living room here. Now this is actually a third floor apartment that's vacant. The actual apartment that's available is on the first floor, and it's the mirrored image of this apartment. Bedroom here. Bathroom. Little hallway that goes through to another bedroom. You can also get through to the bedroom this way. And then you also have the dining room with the built-in there. Lots of closet space. So you have one closet there, and you have another hall closet here. Bedroom number 3. The kitchen. Now all these kitchens are similar, and they all do also have the in-unit washer and dryer. Bedroom number 4. Pantry. The second bath is here, and then you've also got some storage, and then the back door. So again, it's 1360 East 58th Street, right at 58th and Dorchester. The rent is $26.50 per month and includes your heat, water, trash, and cooking gas. And the tenants in the current apartment move out tomorrow, so you can move in as early as July or as late as September.